Hey, welcome to Mr. McStash's channel here. If this worked out right, you just watched me run out of gas and mess that all up. So now I'm going to try and mess something else up. HDR called me out on my vlog setup, on my helmet setup, on my whatever. Bronco Ride also told me that I needed to do this video. So I'm going to try to do this video. I'm probably going to stutter and stammer and mess this whole thing up. But anyhow, here goes. Here's my setup. I first tried with a couple of $40 cameras off of Amazon. The video is acceptable, but the audio I could not get nailed down, so I ended up having to go to the GoPro we all know and love. Now, which being said, 5, 6, 7, 8, if there is an 8, 5, 6, 7, I don't know. But if you're going to get a 5 or larger number with GoPro, you need one of these. There is no way around it. There's no, trust me, I have tried. I have mounts on my bike I have made myself for my cameras. As you will see, I am very low budget. I just don't see the need to pay $50 for one little thing, but it does work. So you want your GoPro. I removed the side, hang on to it. Those cost as much as these, but hang on to your door, because like on my setup, I have the half helmet, which you've seen me wear all the time. I also have all right, so you're back. I knocked the camera down, but anyhow, you're back now. Whatever, that works, something like that. Anyhow, you get the idea. I also have a full face. Now the full face I did set up for the GoPro piece, but on further thought, when you take the door off, you are no longer waterproof. So what I will do when I come to my full face is this will be gone. It will stay in my camera stuff. I will run my camera just here. And see this little microphone here? I have it hooked on an old iPhone 6, just used for record. Any phone, you can download Record Pro or something like that, stick it in your pocket. A lot of people do that. The Best One does it. Several people who do it, they record separate from their audio, and then they sync it. What they'll do is at the beginning of the video, that gives you a high spike in your audio, high spike in your video that you can kind of line up, or you can purchase, what do I got? Power Director 17. It lines them up for that. Does a pretty good job too, lines them up on itself. But with this one here, with my full face, I am going to run the camera here and a microphone here, bring it out the hole here, run it into a jacket pocket because it's my rain gear. When it's raining, I'll be full face with a jacket, so it'd be easy to slide that phone into a pocket and run it that way. It is kind of a headache to do that with the whole syncing up thing, but you guys already know, if you've done anything with motovlogging, everything is a headache. I run a 4-camera system. I have 4 cameras on the bike. I have yet to run a 4-camera system because one of them has a dead battery, one of them has a card full, one of them, you know how it goes when you're working with the cameras. So I have yet to put together a full video with all 4 cameras. I have tried, but I have yet. I have done one with the front camera because I have one in the back behind the tour pack. I have one up on the crash bar that a lot of people do. You've seen now. I've done a video with those 2. I've done a video with my handlebar mount and my helmet mount. Anyhow, that's not why you're here. You're here to see my setup. Happy Jack thinks that I am running it through my wired system, the Harley wired system, which I took the little dangle off here. This is the part that plugs into the bike, plugs into the unit here, plugs into the bike. Don't need this. So for this example, that is gone. What I did is I cheated. I had my setup, plugged this in, plugged in every microphone I could find. I used to do sound, so I had a good selection of lavaliers that I kept plugging into these, and it did not work. Get on the interweb, do some searching around. They say there is a way to test these to make sure this is not your problem. The way you test these is to get you a set of earphones, plug it in and try it. Okay. So I had an old set of these. These I bought exclusively for this video. They are Panasonic HV0695. Let me put that in there real good so you can see it. But what they are the old, large in-ear headphones. People have them laying around. They throw them in the trash. I had a set of these laying around, so I picked them up, and I'm like, well, let's see if this works. So I plugged it in here, turned on my camera, beep, 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 we all know what that is. Hit the record button, test audio 1, test audio 1, test audio 1, test audio 1. Stop, saving. I go back into my videos and I will try, I know I'll pick up the audio, but I'll try and get it in here where you can see it. Oh.
Test audio 1, test audio 1, test audio 1, test audio 1.
So all of a sudden I now have working microphones. 2 of them. Test audio 1, test audio 1. What? Wait a minute. It dawns on me. I have the Harley-Davidson intercom system. I have a microphone right here. I have a speaker right here. So if I come, now that you know my secret, you can probably see all my tricks. There's a speaker right there that picks up the wife or Siri. That's tucked in there. Doesn't bother my ear a bit. I suppose if I had an inside a helmet, I could tuck it back here behind there or something like that. Don't know. Never played with that. This is what I use. It fits there fine. Those are not real tight. So, you know, it doesn't bother me there. Inside here, if you look, you may be able to see the white there, is the other headphone. So, I have a headphone here, a headphone here, one plug here that goes into my audio box. So how it ends up going is I get my skeleton case, I install my GoPro, let me shut that down because that's playing again. So I set it in my skeleton case. I insert, I hope this is coming out all right. I insert this here. Come over to my helmet. Slide my cameras there. You all know how to set up a camera, I hope. I have industrial Velcro I got it from work. I don't know. I mean, you could probably just use Velcro. This is like the plastic points and the plastic points, and they kind of stick together. It's not as great as what it sounds, but it is industrial Velcro. I stick my, and I'm there. That's it. Dual vlogging, one plug, done deal. Now, I bought the black ones off Amazon, so I can get rid of the white plug. But when I'm not using this, I take this and just stick it between the cushion and the helmet. Undo. Undo. My helmet is back to being a helmet. I'm in there. So there you go. That is my setup. I actually, HDR, did not run it through the Harley. Did not do anything special. It is all the same setup as what you have. So what it is the GoPro, the dongle, and an old set of earbuds. That's my setup. I will attempt to put a link down below to these Panasonic headphones. They were $5.99 on eBay. I believe I paid 40 bucks, say 50 bucks for the dongle, less than 60 bucks. I'm dual vlogging. I will try and put a link to this. I don't know if I will or not. I don't have all that pay money stuff, so it may not. And I definitely don't have the I earn when you buy stuff. I don't sell stuff. I do this because a long time ago, some people I used to ride with was unable to ride anymore. And I was going to Colorado, and that's some of my early videos. I put a camera on the bike, a $40 camera on the bike, and went to Colorado and took some awesome videos and sent them to them. They loved them. Then I had another video and another video. Next thing you know, I had no place to store my videos. So what I did, I made, at the suggestion of Mrs. McStash, I made a YouTube channel and started putting my videos there. YouTube now stores my videos. I don't have to worry about them. I can find them anytime somebody wants to see them. That honestly is the reason I started a YouTube channel. Now I have HDR, Bodine 52, Bronco Ride, Orvis 128, Bones, Harley Tech, Lawson. God bless it, Lawson. I can never remember your name. Lawson, NEPA, Northeastern PA guy. D-Best 1A, Mothman 46, Harley Trek. Oh my goodness, I can't even begin to name the genuinely great people that I met. I'm going to attempt to, Bones has one where he put the list of everybody. I will see if I can't find that, copy that, and put the list of everybody in my comments down below. But anyhow, I'm meandering on. I'm going on and on and on and on. $6 headphones, $5.99, $6 headphones. That's how I do my motovlog. There you go. You got it. HDR, thanks for calling me out. D-Best 1A, thanks for getting me all the people that you sent over from your channel. My goodness, guys, if you go and look at my channels and somebody on there you're not following, you really ought to follow because they're just great people. Latino rider. One of these days I'm coming down to ride with you, brother. We're going to Texas. We're going to ride. Speaking of which, here this weekend, me and my lovely bride, to celebrate our wedding anniversary, are going to Niagara Falls. American side only. You know, I got no reason to be anywhere else. I love USA. I'll stay here. Another subject. We are going up to Niagara Falls, so I will have the ride there. Last time we went up, rode across the Great Lakes all the way up to the falls. Beautiful. It was awesome. Well, they're going to do that again. And then I'm coming back, going to work for a week, grinding it out. After that week, then I am headed out west. up through Chicago, over to Wyoming, Minnesota, Badlands, Yellowstone. We're going to go do all that stuff. Sturgis will already be over, so the t-shirts will be on sale. We'll actually be able to get in town. Told you I'm cheap. Anyhow, frugal. That's what it is. I'm not cheap, I'm frugal. But no, anybody knows some good places out there, some good roads, some must-sees, let me know about those. I'm meandered long enough. I've said a million times, I think I'm at my limit. YouTube's probably going to start charging me. But thanks, guys. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching the channel. Keep it rubber side down. Love on your friends. Love on your family. Check on your vet buddies. Do a buddy check. Check on your buddies just because. That's all I got. If you like this video, give it, where you at, John Maxwell? Yeah, here it is. Give it a big dirty thumbs up. If you want to see more, yeah, whatever. If you want to see more content from the McStash and become a McStashian, put your microphones in your ears, hit the subscribe button. I try and do something every Tuesday. Thanks a lot, guys. You guys are great. There you go. There's my motovlog setup on the down low. Hope it helps you out. Questions? Give me questions. Comments? Tell me I'm an idiot. Whatever. From the McStashian Garage. Love to y'all. I'll probably edit that out. Oh, Bodine 52. Bodine, my buddy Bodine 52. Go Bucks.